All right, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today, we are going to install what's called XDMI module for this incredible Tyco Olympus music server. This is arguably one of the best music servers available to us today. And so I am a dealer for the brand. In case you're interested, drop me a note and see what we can do. This is going to be, as you can see, part of my reference system. Before I get started, please do not forget to check out my website, jaysaudiolab.com, for used hi-fi equipment. If you are in the market for a good deal on a used hi-fi product like what I display here on this channel, be sure to go to my website and see what I got for sale. Also, do not forget to check out my Facebook group page. I upload content almost on a daily basis for you all on my Facebook group. I also put content there that normally doesn't make it to the channel here because that content is a lot more raw. I don't have to prepare as much as I have to prepare for a video here on YouTube. So if you want more of me, become a member of my Facebook group. It's free. It doesn't cost you a thing, okay? That's the third screw. All right, and that removes all 4 screws. Wow. There you have it. You are looking at the Tyco Olympus, all of the guts and glory of this incredible unit. This right here, folks, is really transformational. If you think you do not need a music server to get the best streaming experience out of your system, you are so wrong. This right here, if you plug this into your current system, I promise you, you are going to be questioning the need for a turntable setup. It is that special. All right, so next step is we have to remove this card right here, the analog card. One of the greatest things about this music server is that it has analog out right here, unbalanced. So theoretically, you don't even need to have an external DAC. You can actually use this entire music server as a standalone digital units for your actual music, to store music in it, to run Rune off of it, and also as a DAC. So you can go straight from here to your preamplifier. Basically, in short, you can sell your DAC and use this as your DAC as well as a music server. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is remove this screw here, which is basically grounding the analog card to the chassis. So we're gonna remove this right now. Okay. And now we need to remove these 3 right here. These 3 and these 3. So now that all 6 screws are loose, the next step is to actually unplug the power supply like this. We unplug that, and now it's ready to just be pulled out completely. There you go. We have removed the analog. This is the analog card. Again, you can do this and go out of here straight into your preamplifier without the need for a DAC. That's what makes this product special. So now we have the new XDMI module that you're seeing here. This is the module that we're going to install in place of the analog. So it's just a matter of lining it up. Not that hard, guys. Very easy. And that's basically it right there. Now this wiggle that you see here, that gets fixed once you install the screws. The screws will take care of that wiggle and it'll keep it in place. So we're going to do that now. Okay. See now? It's pretty tight. It doesn't go anywhere. And that's what we want, to make sure it's snug in there. Now I want you guys to understand I've never done this before. So don't feel afraid. I think if I did it, use my instructions here to do it yourself. If you decide to buy this Tyco, again, give me a call. Yes, I am a dealer for this. And then, you know, we can put it together and configure it the way you want it. There's no need for a DAC with this piece. Just so you guys know, just so you understand, that means you can actually save money by buying this unit and bypass any DAC that you are currently using. You can actually sell that and just go with this instead. There you go. Super snug, beautiful and tight. So now what we're gonna do is connect the power, which is right here, and snap it on the back of the unit. There you go. Snapped into place and it's all great now. We have just installed the XDMI fiber optic connection that makes this unit essentially talk to the MSB Cascade. And in addition to that, as I said to you, if you're not wanting to use a DAC, then you don't really need this module. You can just purchase the unit without this module and utilize the optional analog module that allows you to connect it directly to your preamp with some unbalanced cables. Okay? So now we're just gonna put this carefully on top. Like that. Let's put the screws back on. Second screw. There you go. All 4 screws are in place. This is the Tyco Olympus music server. It weighs approximately easily 90 to 100 pounds, easily, all day, every day. So now comes the part that I don't recommend for anyone to do, which is to manage these things by yourself. Don't do what Jay does, please. Do not do what I do. Do not do what I do. Yeah. Woo. I am no longer Batman, that's for damn sure. Oh, nope. No, sir. Wow. No, it ain't going in. I'm going to need help. So that wraps up. So that takes care of the video for today. I'm tapping out. Talk to you guys soon. Stay tuned for more.